Srila Tanya Matata, Board of Trustees, distinguished guests, members of the faculty and administrative staff, all the loving parents, medalists, my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon. We are gathered here today to celebrate another milestone in our lives. We have reached our current end goal, but this does not mean that we'll stop here. As someone once said, the end is the start of something new, perhaps something even greater. And for that, I urge my fellow graduates to give the persons beside you a hug and congratulate them. Congratulate each other for your success. I would like to mention ahead that I am not the best writer nor speaker in my batch. Still, this speech is written from the bottom of my heart, not only for myself, but for the entire Hellions and to the people who have encouraged us. The reasons that we have reached this far. I also hope that this inspires the next generation of former graduates. So I opened a book called The Hellions, A Vivid Journey, beginning when I transferred to Sotero P. Cabao Forum for Literacy at the start of junior high school. I never expected to be able to grow this close with all of you, but everyone here has made it possible. We were not only able to become close with one another, but also to those around us. From the admin, to whom we are ever grateful for all the support and understanding throughout the years. To the teachers who are always there for us, guiding us to become better versions of ourselves, and passing down the experiences in life. These are the reasons you all are our inspiration. We are very grateful to have learned from you, especially from Sir PJ, a teacher who we've all grown to love very much, though we have only spent a year together. Thank you, sir, for all your efforts and for the time we had, from the meals shared during events to the banters we had whenever you're around. Surely, all of us graduates are grateful to our parents, who have been and will always be there for us. As our backbones, our loved ones, our loudest supporters, and the biggest reason we are here today. Truly, thank you for giving us this opportunity and for the guidance, ensuring that we are not left broken and tattered by the challenges we face, just as we step further into our adventure. As a batch, we have gone through joys and pains together. There are times we fought over even the most trivial things, had big issues, smaller problems amongst friend groups, yet we still hold and cherish one another dearly. This bond is what enabled us and shaped us in the past few years. Everyone here has truly ensured that no one in the batch was left behind. From our sleepless nights, doing our research paper, our assignments, tasks, studying for tests, especially in biology and physics, we have conquered every challenge that comes our way. Araw ng Wika, Founders Day presentation, which I would like to give credit to Catrice Canama for leading us during those times. The Valentine's Day fundraising contest and other fundraisers, which we were able to do so with the leadership of Rihanna Cabajo. There were also our dance classes, in which we had to make our own choreo by the end of it. Shout out to James Huntar and his Guapo groupmates for their performance, which everyone believed was truly the best out of all of us. Furthermore, there was a recollection that we had just 2 weeks before this graduation day, which was a nice breath of fresh air that has helped us clear our minds. Let us not forget the intimacy that we hold for each other, especially amongst the boys. There are times where I end up wondering, are these people really still joking? But I know that this closeness was built ever since we started going to high school together. I still remember how Ivan is always the pasimuno of the boys' noisy rackets. How Miller explains hard concepts in physics. How Ira sleeps even in the middle of the class. How eloquent Luis is with his words. How I stutter a lot. How James has had a lot of crushes immediately after he transferred. I still remember those top 3 people days. How Kyle tweets out every hour, even mid-discussion. How Bernard was able to become strong for himself and conquer his fears. How competitive Joel is that he even had 4 iPads shouting him for a voting game. How passionate John Fred is with his biology, and how Tabas is often pleased by everyone. And of course, let us not forget the girls. How Ezra is so silent yet has the kindest heart. How Crystal is the emotional support of everyone, the shoulder we cry on during lunchtime. How Rihanna leads with patience and well thought of plans. How unique Catrice is with her humor. How Alicia stepped up and gained confidence, especially with her communication skills. How Rian brought herself out of her shell and do things that she wasn't confident in. How fond of a person Rina is, bringing joy to her classroom with her jokes. How Akiko is such a witty person in the banter way, especially with her nonsensical persona. How Hershey brings out the good in person. How Chloe is strong despite her size. How Yada notices even the littlest wrong within someone. How Ozzy is there to help you in any way she can, whenever she can. How Angel is so down to earth that she can't even lie. And how Joy is so nonchalant and straightforward, yet is able to make the person she is with smile. Looking back, I never really expected that we would be this close to one another. Think of our time together as part of a book series. As the characters move on in their lives, they proceed to create new wonderful stories of their own with different people that we meet. Yet the previous books will remain cherished and unforgotten. We may be going through our separate ways today, but let us make conscious efforts to ensure that our bond remains strong and that our paths will intersect again in the future. In the meantime, let us look forward to what is yet to come and create new and unique compositions, make new memories, yet never forget the ones we made with each other and the lessons we have learned along the way. With this said and done, I close the Hellions, having completed our vivid journey. Continue to reach for the stars and turn your dreams into reality. Hellions, Dragons, and fellow medalists, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.